Okay, so I wanted to try this for a while now, testing a strategy 200 times to see how much we could have increased our account or decreased over that time. First I'll tell you the rules and how it works, and then we will hop right on the results. So it's pretty simple. You only need a Stochastic RSI, which is the normal default settings, 14-14-3-3, and an 100 EMA. I was doing it on a 3-minute chart, and because that's my favorite time frame for day trading, and I think I'm gonna keep on doing it on that time frame unless you want me to do otherwise. Also, I'm not a douchebag and I don't want to steal anyone's content. There's actually a channel that does only this. It's this one on the screen, so check it out because I got the idea for this video from there. So this strategy goes against the trend. In theory, this is a great strategy to trade reversals, pullbacks, and in a volatile consolidating market. The rules are pretty simple. So when the price is above the EMA, you can only go short. When it's below, you can only go long. So for example, for this example, when it's above, you're looking to the Stochastic RSI to be above 80. The moment they cross 80 back down, that's the moment you short. I tried to make it as realistic as it's possible. So for example, you can see that already here, looking at it now, they crossed it, but like in real time, you wouldn't really be able to see it because it would just be about there. To try to make it as realistic as possible, I was taking the next candle as the entry. So we entered it right here. The risk, the reward is always 1.5. and it's locked that way. So you enter it crossing the 80 level on Stochastic, and for the price target you target exactly the EMA. But the EMA at that point, so if the EMA moves, goes up or down, your profits, your target stays the same. I think you get it, it's pretty simple. Okay, let me show another example on some longer trades so it's easier to see. Yeah, this is a great example for going long. So the price is below the EMA, Stochastic came below 20 level here. Then the moment they touch the 20 level, you buy, targeting exactly at the EMA and 1.5 risk to reward, and this one was a loser. I hope you understand how to do it. So this is the last example, and then we'll hop on the result again. So the price is below EMA, crossed below the 20 level on Stochastic, and the moment they touch, they cross the 20 level back in, you buy, targeting exactly at the EMA and 1.5 risk, and this would be a winning one. The cons with this is it's not the best when there's a strong trend and a small volatility consolidation. And yeah, let's hop on the results to see how it performed 200 trades. So this is how it would be if you did this with your account. So out of 200 trades, 83 of them would be wins and 117 of them would be losses. So that's a 41.5% win rate. In total, all of these trades together lasted 13,447 minutes or 224.11 hours or 9.33 days. The average trade is 66 minutes long, and that's because of the large ones. The best return in one trade was 3.05%, and the most you would lose in one trade was 2.44%. The biggest losing streak in a row was 14, and the biggest winning streak in a row was 7. There were also 5 losing streak when there was 5 or more losing trades in a row, or exactly 10, 5, 14, 6 and 5, and 2 winning streaks when there were 5 or more in a row, and those are 5 and 7. The longest trade is 13 hours and 30 minutes long, and there were plenty of 3-minute ones as the shortest trades. Over that time of trading, which was 17 days, if you were awake 24/7 and took all those trades, you would end up with an account increase of 1.71%. Or I could say break even. Most up that you would be on 1 point would be 20%. And that was like about, it's like 60 trades in, and the most you would be down is about -3%. So yeah, pretty shitty strategy. I would rate it 2 out of 5, not 1 because we didn't lose money, we just wasted time, but definitely because of the win rate. So this was just a test for me to try something new, something like that. Now the main point of this video is not this strategy. but to ask you, would you like more strategy testing like this one? If yes, you can tell me what indicators or criteria you would like me to use. We can make like the craziest combinations, and who knows, we might find something life-changing. I like to keep it simple though, but I'm open for testing the plenty of strategies, whatever you think could be our big strategy. It's not the most fun process of making the video, but the results are fun, and if this is something you would like to see, I will continue making it. So tell me either in the comments or in the Discord, which I pre-launched in my previous video. If there is some strategy you always wanted to try, but you don't have time to do it yourself, just tell me and I'll do it. And before I end the video, I want to ask you again, please give me the feedback of what do you think of this, because I really don't want to put so much time and effort into more videos like this if that's something you wouldn't even like to see. So your feedback means a lot to me. Whatever you would like to see in this testing, add or remove, or if you don't want to see it, just tell me. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.